What's up guys, Level Up Gaming back with another video, and today we are playing Monkey Raft Part 2. Of course, because yesterday we only did Part 1. Which
Oh
is
wait,
super
credit
sad.
me for the thumbnail. Credit me for the thumbnail.
Anyways, as you can see guys, somehow I lost my sword. Okay, listen, I'm actually gonna tell you guys the truth. We left when we did part 1, so we had to do part 1 all over again, and now we're back to part 2, which is great. I'm glad I was not lazy today.
Guys, we need DNA fragments.
We do.
Where's that?
I don't know. You tell me. Where are the DNA
Does
fragments?
anybody need a sword? Here's the sword.
Wait, which is it? Like the sword I had last time?
Where are the DNA fragments?
I do not know. Wait, the balloon guy. Wait, were you talking about the warden sword or just a normal sword?
A normal sword.
Oh, okay. We still need to find that warden sword I had last time.
What?
Cause that thing was OP.
Alright,
DNA. It looks like DNA. A DNA fragment looks like a DNA. Search up what does a DNA look like. Then you'll get your answer, buddy. DNAs are like kind of not like spiral, but it's like, huh? Yeah, they kind of like wrap around. There's two lines that like wrap around each other, basically. That's. Oh, what did we need? Food? Nah. Brothers. Yeah. Bananas. Right here. Bananas right here. Banana. I just picked up this. Let me put that down. The warden sword. We still need a warden bone. How do we get a warden bone, bro?
You don't need a warden bone. You need a DNA fragment.
Yeah, but the warden bone is for the warden bone is for the soaps. I was gonna say sword. The wooden bone is for the sword. What do you say? Sorry, my brother. Sorry, brother.
Where is the DNA fragment?
I don't know. Okay, Broski, I don't know. No, I don't know. I don't want to craft with a banana.
I'm gonna search it up.
But no way you're actually gonna search it up right now. I'm so disappointed in you. We're supposed to see what it looks like, not cheap. You can't craft anything using a rock like that. So, we can't craft anything else with a rock, so put this here right now. Alright, guys, let's set sail. We have everybody? Alright. What? No, we don't have our brother. Banana. Alright, ooh, I know where the DNA fragments are. I know where they are. Alright, guys. If you're wondering if you're ever playing this game and wondering where the DNA fragments are, they are gonna be like DNA the
Alright, so
DNA.
there's on it. There's this island with the entrance.
Look, there's gonna be DNA icons on different islands. If you go to that DNA icon, that's where the DNA fragment is, or DNA whatever. I'm gonna go try to get the DNA fragment. All right. You guys can fight whatever that thing is. Get up here. Oh no! Don't tell me I have to do parkour.
I have a big bone, but I don't have a warning.
Maybe you can make a bit of water bone out of a big bone. Who knows? Ow! I just fell into the water. Now I can't get up. Alright. I'm back. I'm back. Alright. How am I gonna get to that island? I don't want to stay here. Jump over it. Guys, I got the DNA fragment. Yes!
Wait, what are the
The DNA fragments are like those little blue spheres that have inside them.
Oh, I know where to go now.
Yeah, you'll see those icons. Ow! I hit my Guys, I found a big bone.
Come on, get on the ship.
Okay, I'm coming. Yeah. No, don't leave me.
I know where they are now.
You can't even craft something with a big bone, bro. Alright, back in there. Alright, the next DNA fragment is not here. Let me set sail. Let me set sail.
It's over there. We may have to bump into it to get around.
Oh my goodness, I am hungry. I'm hungry, bro. We don't have any bananas? Why don't we have any bananas, bro? Bro, I'm about to die from hunger, bro. Why don't we have any bananas? Medicine food. Will this fill me up? No. No! No way we actually lost because of bored. We lost.
Alright, cut that video out. We have to restart.
Restart? No, we can't.
I just paused it.
I can't pause my video. We can't pause the video. Oh my goodness, no way we lost because our
Alright
raft.
guys, someone.
Alright, now we have to do this all over again. No, wait. Guys, no. Don't forget me. We have to do this all over again because of that little... I don't know. I will definitely be cutting this part. I will definitely be cutting this part out. Because we have to do... Yeah. The DNA fragments are basically... There are going to be icons above islands that have like DNA inside them. Ready. Let's set sail at once. Yes, I just went in a full circle. Let's start crafting. I found a rock. Great. Place raft parts 5. Place table on raft. And sail to the next island. Those are our quests. No, that.
I got the crafting table.
Good. Is there any chest over here? Cause I want to, cause I do want that. What you call it?
What's the
Sword. Yes, there's a chest over here. Yes. Guys, I found a torch. Is that good? Is a torch good? Yeah. Ow, ow. I keep getting hit. So, what if you put the torch inside the water? It does nothing. Imagine. Wait, can you set the boat on fire with a torch?
I would not want that to happen.
Honestly, I kind of would want that to happen.
Alright, craft it, craft it. Hey, put it right there, put it right there.
We must sail to the next
Do it.
island.
Why did you put it there?
Daniel, banana guy, why would you put it right there?
Actually, that's good, that's good, that's good.
Wait, where's our next island again? Bro,
Right there.
oh, so this is kind of like the, no, oh, sorry, I was getting mixed up where was the front and the back of the boat.
Oh, dude, I fell.
No, get back over here, my brother.
This is fun.
Actually, yeah, it actually is kind of fun to be honest. No, don't activate it yet. No, not yet, not yet.
Oh, we need to.
Not yet. I need to find some chests. No, I need to find some chests. We need to get stuff before we go, bro.
Tell me when y'all are done.
Alright.
Looting this place.
Yeah, loot the place before we, end the round. Because if we don't loot the place, then we might miss out on fun stuff. Balloon guy, what are you doing? You're not being very balloony. Okay, stop. Now I'm thinking of baloney. Baloney, get it?
That's lava.
Lava. Oh, lava. Bro, is there no more chest on this island? Like, this island's empty.
I guess not.
Alright, come on. Let's just end the round.
Alright, now I'm number 4.
Yep, alright. I guess we're back. No, I want to do the Riptide River, but I guess we can do it. We're back here, guys. We're back to our spot. So, let's do this. Oh, why do I have to start off drowning, bro? Why did I have to start off drowning? Alright, go to the first totem. Where are you going? That's not the totem area. You're going the opposite way of the totems.
Yeah.
Wait, Daniel, banana guy, we're typing in chat now. Oh, can you not do that, please?
I'm trying to.
Thank you. Yeah, guys, let's just chat in the game so the viewers actually know what you guys are talking about. What is this, bro? Why do you have a lava droplet? Alright, we have been
I want to see this, the chat.
Alright, come on, let's get out of here before we get in trouble, bro. Oh, wait, no, there's another DNA fragment over here. Oh my goodness, look what I just found. Wait, but bro, no way, we just found a cannon, bro. What? We can move? Wait, where's the rock? I need a rock. Oh wait, can we add the lava droplet in this? No. That would have been cool though. Ooh, what's this?
Alright,
Oh,
we can activate
guys,
the main tunnel, guys.
guys, I found the sword. I found the sword.
Yeah, I just saw.
Guys, I am hungry, bro. What do you think? Num num num. Num num num. What is this, flint? Oh, this is flint. I thought this was a rock. Can you put flint in here? No, it has to be a rock. What's this? A rock. Alright, let's actually test this cannon out. Load the cannon. And let's see how far the rock goes. Fire!
Let's go! I got a bone.
No. The cannon... The cannon... Yeah.
Alright, guys, I have to activate the generator.
Alright, come on.
We have to set sail. Over
This.
there where the generator, where the
Yeah.
generator icon is.
We just need... Yeah, nah. I
Just
thought...
make sure you don't back into anything.
Um...
Well, we're gonna lose.
Well, my middle name is actually... My middle name is literally Crash. No, it's not. My middle name is not Crash. But I love crashing into stuff, so it's... So, whatever. It's certified baloney. You have low health. Nah. Yo, what is that thing? No, like seriously, what is that thing? I think that's a snake. Yep, a snake. Well, how are we gonna get up here, bro? I keep forgetting.
Credit.
Yes, I will give you credit, balloon guy.
Oh. Yeah, I will.
Oh, yeah, about that. Guys, go check out my two friends' channels, Banana Guy and Balloon Guy. Their channels are are incredible. So please go check them out. Ugh.
I gotta climb that.
Guys, how are we gonna climb this thing, bro?
I literally just came onto it.
Oh.
We're not done yet. We're not done yet.
We still have about 2 more rounds no, 3 more rounds to go. Riptide Rhythm. Riptide Rhythm.
I'm gonna end the video and start the video and just survive it. So the part of the video like disconnect the video and it won't.
Yeah, I hate when that happens. When it just disconnects. Alright guys, where are we going next? I was about to die. I mean, fall off.
You won't die.
I'm actually gonna die right now. I'm so low, bro. Yo, we're burning. Don't make us lose again because you're both burning. Bro, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. No. 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 No.
No.
I died.
I have to revive.
Bro.
I'm reviving.
No, I think it's over for us, bro. I think it's actually over for us.
Alright, I'm gonna end the video.
Well, I hope you guys had a great time watching me and my friends play Monkey Raft, of course. And don't forget, go check out my friends' channels, and Banana Guy. They're pretty good YouTubers, and I hope you guys have a great day. Level Up Gaming out.